So I had to share this win with you real quick because this could be your story next. And y'all excuse me, I know I look a little rough. I just got through working out. On May 21st, a client came to me and said that I need to get a car ASAP. I give you 90 days to fix my credit. They had a 522 when they joined me on May 22nd. On June 27th, they text me and let me know that they had a 719. Y'all, that's almost 200 points. What is it? 198 points. Not only did I meet their goal, but I crushed it in just 43 days because they were approved for a car. Shortly after that, on July 3rd, which was 2 days ago. Y'all remember that video that I put up of saying that one of my clients was trying to get a car? At the time of recording that video, here it is. I have a good credit score like my guy Walter. He's trying to get him a car within the next 30 days. And I was able to get him these results in less than 2 weeks. But here's the best part. Not only did they go from a 522 to a 719 in the least amount of time that they gave me, I taught him how to buy a car from the comfort of his house. This is the first time in his life that he has bought a house from the comfort of his house. Guys, you don't have to go to pull up at the dealership and play them games with them. He only had to go to the dealership to sign his papers, his finance papers, and actually test drive the car. Okay, so no long waiting, no hassle at the dealership. And y'all, this ain't luck. This is not what you call luck. This is strategy. Okay, you gotta know what you're doing. Before God directed me to start charging people for my credit repair services, because I had to be obedient, honey, and start this credit repair business, which I did not want to, but I did, and I've been able to get a lot of success from it. Am I bragging? Yes, I am, because that's what an obedient child gets. They get rewarded some shape, form, or fashion. So if God's telling you to do something, do it. That's the reason why I'm saying it. But anyway, I digress. So I used to teach people, still do, how to buy business cards, no money down, EIN only. All right, I taught people how to do that from the comfort of their home. When they buy business cards, you do not go to the dealership. You shop for your car online. You basically text or email the car salesman, and negotiate with them over text or email. All right, but I'm giving y'all too much. Because I can teach you how to negotiate. And that's basically what I did with him. He even told me that I bullied the man. I didn't bully him. I just taught him how to negotiate properly. I can help you guys do the same thing. For the people who have a goal of trying to buy a car and you need their car ASAP, come over here to Death Row. Credit is not where it should be. Okay, and you need some type of strategy. You want the blueprint on how you negotiate and buy cars from the comfort of your home, and you need your credit cleaned off so you can try to get the best deal possible financially with numbers. What I need you to do is comment new keys down in the comments, and I'll send you a link to book a one-on-one call.